kind of activity today, we have been able to see all students enjoy working with the robots. At the same time, they enjoy working with problem solving. And I've been able to see how happy they are also, how enthusiastic they are. And in spite of so many challenges that they have encountered, but they have been able to look into the challenge that they are facing at this moment.
A brand new chapter for Philippine School Bahrain. This is the very first ever Robotech challenge for the entirety of the school. So once you graduate, you'll remember this day as the pioneers of the first ever challenge that Philippine School has ever administered here in the Kingdom of Bahrain.
We don't measure our success by financial gains, but we measure it by the number of students who were able to become innovators in the future. And we wanted you to be like that.
I would like to congratulate each one of you for taking this big challenge. I am very proud to see how enthusiastic you are in the robotics program, and that we are hoping that this is not the only time that we are going to see all of you in this kind of event. So I wish you all the best.
This is not a promise, but we're trying to see a possibility for the Philippine School Bahrain students to join a group in Dubai.
Whoa!
I don't know if it's this year or next year, but do your best. It's the first time. And for other awards, Mr. Warren said, surprise!
Okay. I be like, hey, I be in my zone. I got this, I'ma do it all alone. I don't need your help, I do it on my own.
I've been studying here in PSB for a long time. This is the first time we had a robotics competition, and since it's something new, I was very interested to join, and then I did join, and I hope many other students will also join the next time.
Let it breathe on them. I be rapping on the track there with ease on them. Hey, hater, don't get in the way.
Well, you know, robotics is the study of robot technology that makes use of disciplines such as mechanical engineering, electric and electronic engineering. And this activity helped me even more realize how important education is. Because with education, you will set the direction of your life and shape your future and those of others in your community, country, and the world.
Your 3.5 hours have come and passed, and now it's the time for you to showcase your creations to the PSB community. Is everybody ready? Yeah! Okay. Today is the very first Robotech Challenge 2020, the very first in the entire history of Philippine School Bahrain. We're very happy that this has been able to become a success because of the help of all the participants, our sponsors, Philippine School Bahrain, and RS Management, Education and Training Services from Dubai. On behalf of the Robotech Challenge 2020, let us now present all 7 teams. Alright. Now remember, all of you here are pioneers of the first ever Robotech Challenge for years to come. For the next years, you'll be passing this legacy to the next people. Remember, you have made history today. That makes you all winners by the end of this day. Alright, it's time for us to announce the winners. The top 3 teams in the Robotech Challenge 2020. Team number 5! Team number 4! Team number 3. 2. Congratulations, team number 2.
I am very happy for today because even at this time, my excitement has not been able to diminish at this time. And I am very hopeful that the team that were established today will be the foundation of all the incoming robotics competition that we'll be having in the future. And I wish them all the luck and hope that by next time we can be able not only to do it much better, but we can be able to do it more better than what we have today.